Hello and welcome. As a reference and instruction librarian, I frequently assist students who have questions about APA citations. This video was created to provide you with a brief overview about APA citations. This video will help you understand why we use APA citations, that there are two parts to citations, the in-text or parenthetical citations and the references page, where to go for APA examples, and how to format your paper in APA style. You will begin by going to the hack.edu/library. Once you are at the library homepage, you will look over at the blue Help box and you will see that we have a link for citing sources. If you click on this link, it will take you to our Citing Sources LibGuide. Along the top, you will notice that we have MLA and APA citations. So click on the APA Citations tab, and this will provide you with information that you will need for formatting your paper in APA format, as well as how to do in-text citations and your references page. You will notice in the top box, we have an APA overview, and at the bottom of that box, there's the APA Style Guide, which addresses plagiarism, paraphrasing, and citing. This brings up the point about why it is important to cite your sources. One of the most important reasons to cite your sources is to avoid plagiarism. Another reason to cite your sources is that it adds credibility to your paper, and it also helps others find the information that you are citing. They can take a look at your references page and see where you got the information from. The next thing that will be discussed are the different parts of the citation. There are two parts to a citation. First, you have your in-text citations or parenthetical citations, and the second part is your references page. If you look under APA citation websites, there's a link to Purdue OWL. On the left-hand side, you'll click on APA Formatting and Style Guide, and at the very top, they have information on in-text citations, the basics. This provides you with a brief overview about APA citation basics, and it also provides you with examples of what your in-text or parenthetical citations should look like. You will see with these in-text citations, you have the author's last name followed by the year. If you are using a direct quote, you will also need to include the page number. Purdue OWL also provides you with an APA sample paper. It's nice to be able to have an example to look at. You will see that it provides you with helpful tips throughout the paper, but it will also provide you with a comparison of what your paper should look like. Keep in mind that their example, they have an author note, which is usually not required by the professor. The second source I would like to show you is Valencia College APA Style, specifically for electronic sources. Valencia College provides you with a lot of examples from library databases as well as websites and other electronic sources. I really like Valencia because of the example reference page citations that it provides to you. I'm going to click on one as an example. You will see that they do an excellent job with showing you exactly what you will need for your reference page citation. It provides you with color coding and tells you you need an author. It also shows you the exact format that you need. Then we move on to the date of publication, and you'll notice that the date of publication is in parentheses. So you're going to want to pay attention not only to the pieces of the citation, but to the little details as well. The last thing I mentioned was how to format your paper in APA formatting. We provide handouts to you on the LibGuide under Setting Up Your Paper Using Word and Google Drive. You will notice that we have APA formatting for Word 2013 and Word 2016, as well as Google Drive. If you have any other questions, please feel free to send me an email or chat with me in the discussion board. I would be happy to address any specific questions you may have about APA citations. Thank you.